Hello guys, this is my first RC car which I bought for my kid. So it looks good, but the problem is I have to remove the battery and charge it. The only one big problem. Its backup is around 20 to 30 minutes how I use it. But if I want to charge it, I need to remove the battery out of it. So I just did an upgrade on that. I'll show you how to do that. Okay. So it looks like this, and if I want to charge, I need to remove the battery, and there's a USB cable. So this is how I did. I purchased a connector. It looks like this. It's a DC connector you'll get in Amazon. It has 3 pins actually. 2 pins are connected. When you plug in the switch, the 2 pins will be opened. You can check with the multimeter. See, now the 2 pins are connected, the smaller pins. Okay, now you can check. See, now you can see multimeter, it's connected, and one is not connected. So when you plug in the male and female plug, the connection will be disconnected. So this is where you need to connect the positive wire of the battery as well as the car. So inner part looks like this. See, so you need to connect the 2 small pins. Again I'll show it. So the small pin is connected to the bigger one, so that is the positive which you need to connect the red wire. Okay, sorry, the focus is not good of my mobile. So you can see it, the small one and that one. Now I did not record from my mobile. This is a separate recording, so you may see a little bit difference. I'll show you how to connect. So let's start. Now I disconnected the red wire. You can see battery wires. So these are the positive wires. And this is one extra connector which I purchased for the plug. The only one problem is there, the new connector positive and negative will be flipped. You need to change the pins. Should remove the lock and exchange the positive and negative pins. That one what I found when I purchased the new connector. You can check before you fix it. So red wire should connect to the bigger one and black to the smaller one. So now you can see I have made a small cut there. Did not cut the wire. If you want you can cut, no problem. So just solder it. So now a little bit I have made a speed in my video, you can see. So now I'll connect that one. Don't don't go with my soldering. It's very old soldering actually. So let's solder it. Very careful. Don't burn your hands. Be very careful while soldering. See, I connected the red to the smaller pins. See, red is connected, and the negative wire to the bigger pins. It looks like this. So you can see it. Now see how it looks. So I'll just plug it and show you how it works or not. It should work because now the two pins are connected and the power supply from the battery is going to the car. So now it's on. Look. Now if I fix the plug, the connection from the battery to the car will be disconnected. See, now it's off. So it's like that. Just remove it. I just fixed it. I need to remove again because I need to make a hole on the bottom cap. See, I fixed it like this. So it will look like this after finishing. Clean and neat, isn't it? As it came with a company build. It should be like this. I don't know why they did not do that. See, you can see the close-up. It should be connected like this. The red wire should be going to the first pin there, and output should be there in the from the next pin, and should go to the plug, and black to the bigger pin, and it looks like this. Clean. Now I fixed the battery. I also turned the light because it was very dark. So it looks like this. We can close it easily. So you should make a side hole or else battery will be coming in between. So side is good. So there is a small gap between the batteries and the compartment. So you can place the switch in that position. So it looks finally like this. Simple. So I connected there. The outer part should be positive, okay. So switch on and the charging started. Simple. Now no need to remove the battery again and again. Just plug in, charge and play. So your kit can even charge it, no need of removing it. See, charging is going on. So it's charging. When I plug it, the battery supply will be gone and charging supply will be going directly to the battery, not to the car. So it's safe. Circuit will be safe, no problem. It's clean. If you like it, just subscribe please. It's my first video on soldering and like electronics. It's my dog. It's clean. So it looks like this. While charging, you just place it on the floor and charge it. That's it. Ready to go. Thank you guys for watching it, and subscribe because it's my first tech video, isn't it? Yeah. Thank you. Have a great day.